All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a 1-card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the 1-card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's just go ahead and see who we have a message for next. Who do we have a message for right now, Divine? Okay. So we have Aquarius and we have the number 2. Right. Okay, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, let me find out that you're starting a new union, that you're working on a partnership. So we got the 2 on the dice, and then we also got the 2 of Cups, right? So basically, this is an energy of 2 people deciding to come together for a greater purpose than what they could achieve by being alone. So, of course, we can do a lot of stuff by ourselves, but there's something more powerful by being united with someone. So you could be starting a new relationship, you could be starting a new friendship, a new... Hold on, my kids are coming. Hold on, Virgo, I'll be right back. Or no, Virgo. See how they just distracted me? Hold on, Aquarius. I'll be right back. All right, so I do apologize for the interruption. Maybe you, Aquarius, is ready to come into union with this specific person and start this new relationship with somebody so that you can have some kids of your own. So what I'm showing is that this is a cup card. Cup cards are basically concerning emotional affairs, emotional aspects. Cup cards also have to deal with water signs. So you could be, if you're not starting a relationship, friendship, or anything long-term with someone, then maybe you are just in an energy of or going through a healing process. And through this healing process, there could be someone that's helping you. And through the process of healing yourself, you're gaining all sorts of type of wisdom. Maybe you're communicating with someone about some of your emotional needs. That could be the partnership. Whatever it is, just make sure to keep the communication good. This could, it may indicate that you could be getting ready to be engaged, or you have like just a happy agreement between you and 2 people. Like, everything doesn't have to be marriage in today's society. Like, relationships are kind of straying away from traditional ways. So if you have someone that is willing to work in a way that works for the both of you, then congratulations. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, Aquarius, and pull a affirmation card for you as well. All right, so Aquarius, your affirmation card says, I am co-creating with the universe. Or I'm sorry, let me reread that for you. It says, I am always co-creating with the universe. I am always co-creating with the universe. I am always co-creating with the universe. So that's what I have for you today for your one card read, Aquarius. I hope you enjoyed this message and it was some type of guidance and or motivational energy for you to reflect on. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future readings. I'll see you in the next one, Aquarius. Bye.